I'm Lieutenant Colonel Ted Meeuwsen. I work for the Royal Netherlands Air Force. I'm the Deputy Commander of their Center for Men and Aviation, which is the center of excellence of the Royal Netherlands Air Force on human factors. The Pilot Readiness Center that we started as a mutual ambition together with Colonel Aerospace is a center where we can actually do anything on the F-35 helmet, for instance. But it's a kind of a game-changing approach because we do things differently. Because in the original world, well, let's say, there are legacy pilot fit facilities in the US, for instance, which means that if you are an F-35 pilot, or, if you want to become an F-35 pilot, then in a 3-day event, you have to visit a so-called pilot fit facility where everything's being measured on the body, on your head, on the extremities. And then the subcontractors, like the industry, with that data, they'll make you your equipment. Not only your flight suit, your ops vest, but apparently Collins assembles the F-35 helmet, which is being done with an old modest, at least that's my point of view, an old modest 3D scanner. And that's only a once in a lifetime approach. So you visit such a kind of pilot fit facility, everything's being measured, data goes to the industry, everything's being made by the industry, and then you're good to go to fly with that new equipment. Also that, very costly F-35 helmet. And that seems to me a little bit ridiculous because people change over time. People get thicker, thinner, lose their hair, but also technology will change. So that means that you must keep up with all those things that will happen during your professional life. So I went up to the Pentagon, went up to leadership of Collins and say, okay, listen, from my point of view, one thing has completely been forgotten, and it's let's call it sustainment of the helmet. So when such a helmet is being made by the industry, and in our case in the Netherlands, when we fly with it, and something goes wrong with the helmet, then we have to send it over to the US, and then they will fix it for us. Yeah, they do the triage over there, and they will fix it for us, which is, from my point of view, not wise at all. I mean, that's not efficient. It's, you cannot fly for, let's say, 5 weeks or so. So I really want to do it ourselves as an Air Force. So that's the reason why we started the Pilot Readiness Center, F-35, which consists of predominantly 3 pillars. One pillar is we have a pilot fit facility. So we put Collins directly on the contract for everything above the neck. And we added several other things. And one is that we also can do dynamic testing with all the unique assets that we have, like a human centrifuge and a 6 degrees of freedom simulator over in the Netherlands, where you can instantly test the new equipment. So if something's wrong with the equipment, then a representative from Collins and my people can adjust everything, in this case, on the helmet. And the third pillar is, okay, if we want to do something in innovation, we also made an innovation pillar, which is called IOLIS. It's an ecosystem where lots of companies and startups and, smart people are involved, in which we can, have a kind of follow-up development of, in this case, the helmet. So overall, the pilot readiness consists of a fit facility where we can refit, refurbish helmets. We can dynamically test it and also do follow-on development with it.